Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something for you that I have not shared before. I don't usually share hauls, but I love watching them. But I'm going to share a haul with you today because I'm pretty excited about this stuff. So I was contacted by BeeBeeCraft website, and they asked me if I wanted to get some of their stuff and make a project with it and share it with you guys. And in return, they would give me a coupon code for you guys. So I agreed, and I picked out some stuff, and I'm going to show you what they sent me. And then in a second video, I will share with you, I'm going to have 2 more videos where I'm going to share with you some projects that I made with them. Okay? So let's just get right to it. There's not very much, so it's going to be a short video, but I want to share with you what I got. So the first thing that I ordered was these clips. They are called garment pins, and they came in so many colors. So many colors. I think there are 12 different colors here, and I'm not sure how many are in each one, but there are so many. I'm never going to be able to use all these up. But my favorite part was that it came in a sturdy box. Like, you could reuse this. This would be perfect for making something to send to a pen pal and put it in here. I love that. So I'm really excited about that. And then I love the colors that they have. So this is kind of like a lilac purple, a yellow, a pink, a dark blue, a dark pink, an aqua color, a red, so I can make some Christmas charms, a brassy sort of color, an antique gold color, a silver, a green, a white, and a black. And there's so many here. I can't wait to play with these. So I'm going to use them for making charms and dangles and hanging stuff off of all sorts of stuff. And these are going to be perfect for that. Okay. Next up, I got this little guy here, which is super cute. Also came in a really nice container. I like that a lot. This is going to be perfect for storing these in, and then when it's all gone, I can use it as something to share embellishments with a pen pal or a friend or something. So what this is these are bead caps. They are larger bead caps, but that's okay. I like to use big ones. So they look kind of like that, and they go on the ends of beads, and you can wire with them, and they're just perfect for decorating your bead just a little bit more. So this came, oh, I forgot to tell you, this thing here was $10.79. So that's a lot of garment pins for 10 bucks, or for almost 11 bucks. And then this guy was $6.54. That's a great deal too for all of these. There's so many bead caps in here. I'm never going to go through them all. And there's a lot of different colors. So I have a really bright gold, a really bright silver, a kind of toned down silver, kind of a coppery color, a toned down gold, and then maybe like an antique gold color. I'm not sure what you would really call that, but perfect for anything that I could use it for. Okay, next up we have these, which I have been dying to play with, and also again comes in such a great little box. I love that. So what these are is these are little glass baubles, just little glass bubbles with a hole in the top. There you go, you can see the hole there. Just a little hole in the top so that you can put tiny little sequins, tiny little gems, seed beads. You can put whatever you want into there. And then you take the little cap that it came with, And you have two choices. So you take the little cap that it came with and glue it over the hole so that nothing comes out, and then you have a really cute little bead. And then you have the flower option for the top or for the cap, or you have just a plain cap option which has a smaller hole too. You have either of those options. They came with this kit, with this set. So I'm super excited about that. I believe I got 30 of them in here, and these were $8.49. Such a good deal. And then it came with the caps and the baubles, and then it also came in this fancy little box, which I fully intend to reuse. All right, and then the last thing that I got was this. This is what I'm going to make my big project with. This is iridescent vinyl. Now, it's not listed as vinyl on the website, but I was hoping that it was, and it is. So I'm gonna it came with two, and these were $11.59, and you got two of them. Now here's the thing. They are about 8 inches, yep, exactly 8 inches long. And then I measured this one when I opened it up, 8 inches by 40, I think it was 39. I don't want to lie to you, so I'm going to go with 39, but I think it actually is 40 because I was guesstimating my measurements because I just have a ruler like this, which doesn't go all the way, so I think it's 40 because it sounds weird to do 39, but you know, whatever. And then the really cool thing about it is that it has a piece of protectant paper over it so that it's not ruining, you're not getting anything on the vinyl if you're not using it. So I've got these. I'm going to make a project with them, and I wanted to tell you, I usually buy this from Hobby Lobby, which as a matter of fact I just did. I bought this from Hobby Lobby. So it's the same length, and it's vinyl, and pretty sure it's not 39 inches. Yeah, it's 18, probably 19, 20, maybe 24 inches. And this is $5. So I got two that are 40 inches for $11. And once you see what I'm going to make with them, you're going to love them. So these are all from BeeBeeCrafts. And I'm going to share a video too, but I'll have a link down below and a coupon code for if you want to go and check them out. Okay? I'll see you all again soon with my project. Bye-bye now.